So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that very deadly thing in this shadow of digital world where firewall burns and antivirus tremble. The real game begins. I don't send obvious virus, that's amateur stuff. What I do is much cleaner and much deadlier. I create a small innocent looking .bat file, just a few lines of code. I send it through phishing email, USB, drop, or even a fake software crack, whatever method that I am gonna choose. How my victim was, what was the need of my victim. That's why I will prefer from this any kinds of method to send the virus, cold virus, bad file. The moment the victim double click it, boom, their Windows machine silently opens a connection back to me. No falsely pop up, no warning. If done right within second, I am sitting inside their system with a full PowerShell reverse shell from my Kali machine. I now control their desktop like it's my own. I can dump their saved password, take a screenshot, turn on their webcam, navigate through their personal files, or even move literally to other computer on their network. Windows Defender, I bypassed it using obfuscation, encoding, and leaving off the LAN technique. I make the payload look like normal system activity. This is the power of a reverse shell. The target never know I am inside until it's too late. Once click it, all it takes to go from curious user to compromised victim. This is how real black hat hackers operate quietly, efficiently, and invisibly. So let's deep dive into our video practically. Before going to into our video, listen this carefully.
Disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. All demonstrations were performed in lab environments or virtual devices to understand cybersecurity concepts and did not affect real devices or networks. Hacking into someone's data without permission is a cybercrime. Illegal access to someone's data is a cybercrime.
So we are now in our terminal. What we can do here, first of all, we need a tool that get received our reverse shell. So we can install it using apt install netcat hyphen netcat hyphen traditional. You need to download this tool into your system before performing this thing, because this is the tool that gave us the reverse shell into our system. Here you can see netcat traditional hyphen y. It will download in just some time. Not a big tool depending on your internet speed. Now this is installed successfully. Here you can see. Now let's check which netcat was installed. This will tell us that netcat was installed into our system successfully. Here you can see which netcat that shows us user win netcat. That means our netcat was installed into user win netcat. This is the location where it will download it and install it. Now what we can do here, you can see if you are into your system, you can check using this command. Now what we can do here, and nc hyphen lvnp lvnp, wait here some time, lvnp 4444. This is the port that I given into my coded section. First of all, let's code our bat file that give us a reverse shell into our attacker machine. What we can do here, let's code our bat file, that means virus file, and be in your mind that all the things was performed into my own lab and even into my own virtual devices. I have not done any kinds of illegal thing outside of network, outside of my network and outside of my devices. So be careful. This is just for educational and awareness purposes only. This is the like I just code this. First of all, here you can see a PowerShell reverse shell dot bat PowerShell hyphen nop hyphen non I w hidden exe bypass command, and make sure whatever I just type here, type same as it is, because it's case sensitive and even the symbol also matters. Okay, here you can see new object system.net socket TCP client. Okay, now here what we need to give our Kali Linux operating systems IP. Here we can see I just put it here, and 4444, this is the port that I want to receive. On this port, here you can see this port, like receiving the reverse shell on this port, like this port was opening. That's why I just on the netcat listener into that port. Okay, here you can see now stream client get stream by. Now I will code it, and after that I will meet you again. see we coded successfully. Now we saved this file and one more thing, exclusive one-to-one cybersecurity live session only for 999 per month. I officially launched my personal online live session on Google Meet, just you and me, one-to-one, no crowded classroom, no distraction. What you will get: full practical hacking, hands-on method and technique, explain step by step, direct guidance, IV interaction where I answer your question instantly, complete skill set from fundamental to advanced penetration testing and bug hunting. Why this is the best offer? Others charge 12,000 to 15,000 per month for group classes with 20-30 students. I charge just 4,999 per month for exclusive one-to-one mentoring. You all learn faster, deeper, and with full personal attention. How to join? If you are watching this in YouTube, then go and check out the description section. There you will get a form link, and if you are watching this in Facebook, then click on see more option in post detail. There you will get a form link. Fill out the form with your detail, receive your Google Meet link instantly, start your live hacking journey today. Invest in yourself. This is the smartest step toward becoming a skilled ethical hacker. Seats are limited, so act now. Now let's dive deep into our video. Here you can see GTA 6.bat. Here you can see GTA 6.bat to make our victim curious, and they click our bat file. Here you can see now it's done. We are coded successfully. Now what we can do here, we want to share this from our system to a victim system. What we can do here, I have also option like running my Apache server, but I will go for like using this file into a server, and after get a link I will send the exact link to my victim. In this case I am the victim. Imagine I am the victim. I will show you how. First of all, let's open our listener. If the bat file was run, we will get our reverse shell as soon as possible. Here you can see nc-lvnp and 4444. This is the port that given by us into our coded section. Here you can see listening on any 4444. That means any connection was received, it will automatically connected. Okay, now what we can do here, first of all, let's upload our GTA 6.bat file uh, from a online service that we got a link, and the link we can send easily to anyone. Here you can see this is the file uploader. You can use any method whatever you want, like USB, social engineering, and Bluetooth sharing, whatever you want to use. I am just showing you the exact thing that I am gonna use. Here you can see, first of all, here is the this is the my previous file, that previous video content, and now I want to upload a new file. What we can do here, drag and drop, just click on this option, and our file was saved into our desktop. Here you can see GTA 6.bat. Here, open and just wait for some time. Here you can see our bat file was uploaded successfully. Here you see we got a like our file was uploaded successfully. Now we got our link. I will show you. Here is the content that we written into our web file. Now click on the share link, and we got a link. Now this link is I want to send this link using social engineering, whatever method you are going to use. I am using, like, this is my own system. So what we can do here, just copy the link and came into my Windows system. Here you can see this is the browser, uh, Edge browser. Here I just paste the link that we got from the LimeWire server. Here you can see here is the bat file. What we can do here, let's download it. Click here, let's download this into our server, like a normal user that searching a game related cracked file at etc. Here you can see, like, I'm a victim, and I downloaded this file. uh, and what we can do here, like, I don't know what was the thing in this file. If I will run this file, like double clicking this file, nothing will happen in my system. It will automatically give us reverse shell into my Kali Linux machine. I will show you everything. Here you can see this is the file that we downloaded into our Windows 11 system. Here you can see easily. And now if I double click in this file, what going on, I will show you. Like, here you can see I just double click. First of all, I will show you. Here is the our listener was on, and Now I just click double click on the GTA 6 bat file. Now here we got a connection. I will show you. And one more thing, I just changed the IP address of my IP address of my Kali Linux net from net to bridge adapter, because locally it will not work. So now it will work properly. Here is the all files, like we got the reverse shell of our Windows system. Here you can see I just blur this thing because I don't want to show that illegal thing in YouTube, because YouTube are not allow this thing. Here you can see I will get everything. Here you can see the data of the victim system and the installed application and install and their images and everything. Here we got exact reverse shell. Whatever I want to do, I can do from here, control their whole system uh, using this reverse shell. Now this is the whole video. I hope this video will helpful all of you. This is the practical demo that I show in this lecture. And if you are interested in practical ethical hacking and you want to learn one to one, you can definitely check out the description section. You will get a form link. You can fill the form and whole detail. You will get your Google Meet link, and you can study with me and learn this thing practically with me. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming and interesting videos. I hope. Now let's meet in next video.